Network interface card is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. It has additional memory for buffering incoming and outgoing data packets, thus improve the network throughput. Modem is a device that converts digital computer signals into analog telephone signals. That is, it modulates signals and convert analog telephone signals into digital computer signals, that it demodulates signals in data communication system. Multiplexer is a communication processor that allows single communication channel to carry simultaneous data transmissions from many terminals. A multiplexer uses the transmission of several terminals at one end of communication channel, while a similar unit separates the individual transmissions at receiving end. Inter-network processors. Telecommunication networks are interconnected by special purpose communication processor called inter-network processors such as switches, routers, hubs, bridges, repeaters, and gateways. Processor that makes interconnection between the telecommunication circuits in a network so that the telecommunication message can reach to its intended destination. Router is a communication processor that interconnects network based on different rules and protocols so that the telecommunication message can reach its intended destination. Hubs is a pod switching communication processor that allows for sharing of network resources such as servers, LANs, workstation, printers, etc. Bridges is a communication processor that connects number of LANs, magnifies the data transmission signals while passing the data from one LAN to another. Repeater is a communication processor that boosts or amplifies that signals before passing into the next section of cable in a network. Gateway is a communication processor that connects network and they use different communication architectures. Server is one or more multi-user processor with shared memory providing computing connectivity and database service interface relevant to the business needs. Protocol is the formal set of rules for communicating, including the rules for timing, for message exchange, the type of electrical connection used by the communication devices, error detection techniques, means of gaining access to the communication channel, and so on. Business Information System (BIS) is a system may be defined as a system integrating business functions and information modules for establishing effective communication channel, which are useful for making timely and accurate decisions in turn to contribute organization productivity and competitiveness. Business process is a collection of related and structured activities or tasks that produce a specific service or product for a specific organization. Knowledge management. It encompasses both content and the process of creating content. It refers to both what is known and how it come to be known. Extensible Business Reporting Language (XBRL) is freely available in international standard-based business reporting language developed by accountants for financial reporting. OLAP Online Analytical Processing is a multidimensional analytical tool typically used in data mining that gathers and processes the vast amount of information into useful product. Batch processing is defined as a processing of large set of data in a specific way, automatically, without needing any user intervention. The data is first collected during the workday and then data processed, so all collected data is processed in one go. Online processing is processed immediately when it is entered. The user usually has to wait a small time for response. Interactive or online processing requires a user to supply inputs. It enables the user to input data and get result of processing that data immediately. Real-time processing is a subset of interactive or online processing. Input is continuously and automatically acquired from sensors, for example, which is processed immediately in order to respond to the inputs in a little time as possible. After the system is finished responding, it reads the next set of input data immediately to process that. Network virtualization. In IT, virtualization is the process of creating logical computing resources from available physical resources. This is accomplished using virtual software to create layer of abstraction between the workload and underlying the physical hardware. Network virtualization allows a large physical network to be provisioned into multiple smaller logical network and conservatively allow multiple physical LANs to be combined into large logical network. This behavior allows administrators to improve the network traffic control, enterprises and security. MS Office applications are various office automation systems made available by the Microsoft Corporation, which includes MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, MS Access, etc. Each of these software helps to achieve automatic of various tasks in Office. It has a features such as customized ribbon, backstage view, built-in graphic toolset, enhanced security, Excel Spark lines, pivot for Excel, PowerPoint broadcast, PowerPoint compression, copy, cut, paste, preview and Outlook conversation view. Storage virtualization is a apparent pool of data from multiple storage devices, even different type of storage devices, into what appears to be a single device that is managed from the central console. Storage virtualization helps to storage administrator perform the tasks of backup, achieving recovery more easily and in less time by distinguishing the actual complexity of storage area network. Components of computerized information process cycle. Input, entering the data into computer. Processing, performing operations on the data. Storage, saving data, programs or output for future use. And output, processing the results.